what's your name? My name is Blossom. Hi, my name is Blossom. No, my name is Blossom. Hi, Blossom.
Let's get my makeup. Are you kidding me? I forgot my makeup! It's okay. When we get there, I want to go swimming with you. We can go in the ball pit. We can go to the park. We can go get some food. We can, do so much fun stuff. Why isn't this working?
What's wrong, sweetie?
I can't find Dora.
Flight attendants. Go.
Hey, what do you need?
It's taking me so long, and I still can't figure out how to watch Dora on your.
Sorry, we only have the new releases.
What?
Here. Let's see. Yeah, we only have the new releases. Dora's pretty old.
Could you maybe check in the back, please? Please. Thanks. Hi, what's your name? Because I would like to sell you a $1 brush or maybe a $5 clock. Oh, are you sure? You might need a clock or something. Nope, I don't need any. Thanks, though. Are you sure? What about this milk carton?
Just need a little more space. Can you move up there?
Since we've been on the phone for 2 hours already, I figure we should get to know each other. What's your name? My name? Oh, my name's Pinky. That's easy. Oh, hi, Pinky. I'm Lemon. Is there glitter in that thing? Yes. Could you maybe put that away I'm not feeling that good, and I'm really allergic to glitter. It's not real glitter, it's fake. Are you allergic to fake glitter, Lemon?
Oh, peanuts! Yeah! Oh, yeah, peanuts!
Could you please be a little quieter, maybe? I don't have my makeup. What do I do? Flight attendants! Yes, sorry. I forgot my makeup. Do you have any spare makeup? Sorry, we have some snacks, maybe? No, could you check? Okay, I'll check, but I don't think we have any. Ooh, do you need some bananas? No, I need makeup. Why do you need makeup?
Hi, can you say your name again?
Yeah, my name is Blossom.
Oh, hi, my name is Blossom.
My name is not Blossom. My name is Blossom, but it's not my name is Blossom.
Hi, my name is Blossom. Wait, my name is Blossom. And then we'll watch Shrek. And we can watch Shrek the house, and we can play in the pool, and go in the ball pit, and go. Flight attendant! Yes, what is it? Is it Dora? I'm sorry, no. There is apparently only new releases. No!
I know you need a little bit more space, but could I'm standing in the middle of the aisle. Can you scooch over a little bit more? Thanks. Are you sure you don't need some sunglasses? I'm already wearing them. What about a drum set? Oh yeah, you can play the drums. Yeah, you're gonna say no, aren't you? But maybe if you get a snack from me, it's $5. Flight attendants. She can't hear me.
Yes.
This person is screaming. Could you please just put that away? No, I'm not really going to. Sorry. Please, please, put that away, please. No. Alright, let me make my video. Hey guys, welcome back. My baby! Oh, I guess I have a child now. Oh yeah. And look, I'm just like stretch it out. So awesome. We are so sorry. I was never in this. Oh great. Flight attendants.
Yes. What is it?
This lady just put slime liquid stuff in my hair.
Slime isn't liquid. Well, sorry, I can't do anything. Sorry, I can't do anything for it.
And I don't even have a seat because this guy took my seat. This is terrible.
Can you say your name again?
My name is Blossom.
Hi, my name is Blossom.
Oh my god. Oh, you're so annoying. Ugh.
If you call me annoying, then bye.
Alright, well. It's a mess.
The people are going to be...
Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!